Hey there, today, I've got 7 weird kitchen gadgets that you absolutely must see. These unique tools are sure to add a fun twist to your cooking routine. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the magnetic self-stirring mug. If you love a perfectly mixed drink without the hassle of stirring, this gadget is for you. The main purpose of this mug is to automatically stir your drink with just the press of a button. It uses a magnetic spinner at the bottom to mix your beverage. It features a built-in stirring mechanism, a spill-resistant lid, and a sleek design. It's also battery-operated for convenience. It's perfect for mixing coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or even protein shakes. Next, we have the pizza slicing scissors. These scissors are designed to cut through pizza quickly and easily, ensuring perfectly even slices every time. They feature a built-in spatula for lifting slices, sharp stainless steel blades, and an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. These scissors make slicing and serving pizza a breeze. Our third gadget is the lemon sprayer. It features a screw-in design that fits into the lemon, a pump mechanism, and a spray nozzle. This sprayer provides a mess-free way to add lemon juice to your meals. Fourth on our list is the cute egg yolk separator. This adorable gadget makes separating egg yolks a fun task. The main purpose of this gadget is to easily separate egg yolks from egg white. It features a cute, whimsical design, a wide opening for easy egg cracking, and a sturdy build. Perfect for baking, cooking, or any recipe that requires separated eggs. Next up, we have the handy pea sheller machine. This machine is designed to shell peas quickly and efficiently with minimal effort. It features a compact design, an easy-to-use hand crank, and a collection tray for the shelled peas. It's perfect for anyone who loves fresh peas but hates the tedious shelling process. Great for shelling fresh peas for soups, salads, and other dishes. Sixth on our list is the onion holder for slicing. This gadget helps you hold an onion securely in place while you slice it, ensuring even, consistent slices. It features sharp stainless steel prongs, an ergonomic handle, and a sturdy build. Perfect for slicing onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and other fruits and vegetables. Last but definitely not least, we have the 3 Blades Rotary Vegetable Peeler. This peeler is designed to peel vegetables quickly and efficiently with its 3 interchangeable blades. The different blades allow for versatile peeling options, ideal for peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and other vegetables. Great for preparing fresh produce for cooking and salads. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome kitchen gadget reviews.